विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरवर्णिनी नित्यं पद्मालयां देवीं सा मां पातु सरस्वती। माणिक्यवीणामुपलालयन्ती मदालसा मञ्जुलवाग्विलासा महेन्द्रनीलद्युतिकोमलाङ्गी मातङ्गकन्या मनसा स्मरामि। चतुर्भुजे चन्द्रकलावतंसे कुचोन्नते कुङ्कुमरागशोणे पण्ड्रेक्षुपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणहस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते जगदेकमाता जगदेकमाता। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरवर्णिनी नित्यं पद्मालयां देवीं सा मां पातु सरस्वती। माणिक्यवीणामुपलालयन्ती मदालसा मञ्जुलवाग्विलासा महेन्द्रनीलद्युतिकोमलाङ्गी मातङ्गकन्या मनसा स्मरामि। चतुर्भुजे चन्द्रकलावतंसे कुचोन्नते कुङ्कुमरागशोणे पण्ड्रेक्षुपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणहस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते जगदेकमाता जगदेकमाता। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरवर्णिनी नित्यं पद्मालयां देवीं सा मां पातु सरस्वती। माणिक्यवीणामुपलालयन्ती मदालसा मञ्जुलवाग्विलासा महेन्द्रनीलद्युतिकोमलाङ्गी मातङ्गकन्या मनसा स्मरामि। चतुर्भुजे चन्द्रकलावतंसे कुचोन्नते कुङ्कुमरागशोणे पण्ड्रेक्षुपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणहस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते जगदेकमाता जगदेकमाता। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरवर्णिनी नित्यं पद्मालयां देवीं सा मां पातु सरस्वती। कर्माणि
Yes, good morning, all of you. Start your videos all up first. Start. Make it fast. మీరు ప్రే చేయడం మర్చిపోయారు కదా అని చెప్పి చిన్న ప్రేయర్ చేపిద్దామని గుర్తు చేసినాం. అరేంజ్ చేసుకుందాం ప్రేయర్ కూడా మనం ఒకసారి. సరే రెగ్యులర్ గా పెడదాం, ఒక పర్టికులర్ టైంలో పెడదాం ప్రేయర్ కూడా. వేరే ఎలా స్కూల్కి పోలేడు. ఓకే రైట్. all of you write your school names. Write your school names. Already it is 7:43, still 36 members only. Don't know why. What is the strength? Or a mission? I told you to not to wear t-shirts till you are attending in t-shirts and etc. I think all of you woke up just before of the physical science class. Directly came to here. Your faces are saying everything. ఒకటి తిన్నాడు ఇట్లానే చూస్తున్నారు అంతా. పొద్దున్న పెట్టిరు సార్, 7 గంటలకు పెట్టి తింటారు సార్ అంటే అరేంజ్ కాలేదు. మరి ఏం చేద్దాం? ఏమో 7 క్లాసులు కావాలి, 5 క్లాసులు కావాలి, 6 క్లాసులు కావాలి. అంతేనా? క్లాసులు పెంచినప్పుడు మా షెడ్యూల్ మారుతుంది. రెగ్యులర్ స్కూల్ అనుకో 9 to 4 ఉంటుంది, అయిపోతుంది. కానీ మీకు ఏమైంది? మీకు అన్నలు ఉన్నారు, తమ్ముళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, చెల్లెలు ఉన్నారు, అక్కలు ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి అలాని అందరిని అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి పొద్దున అరేంజ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. ఎనీవే మంచిదే, పొద్దున 7 గంటల క్లాస్ వింటే చాలా మంచిది. అలా ఎనర్జీ సేవ్ అవుతుంది అండ్ బ్రెయిన్ మెమరీ ఫాస్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. కార్తికే ఎవరికి హాయ్ చెప్తున్నావు? ఇక్కడ నీకు వాళ్ళకి అనిపిస్తున్నారు ఇలా? ఎంతమంది ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నావు హాయ్? డిజేబుల్ చేసినా కదా. ఓకే రైట్ నాన్న. ఓకే try to join 2-3 minutes before Nana. Already I started at 6:55 only to play take the prayer. Okay, if possible join 5 minutes before. We shall take the prayer. Okay, I think your physical and teacher may take that is the first class, right? Okay, right. Yeah, we were discussing about second problem in the exercise 1.1, right? Yes. Sit properly, all of you first. Yeah. Shall we take an activity? Up, down, up, down, up, down. No. May your sleep will left, right? Your sleep may leave if you do like that. If once I start the class, again you turn off your videos and you have a nap, I know. Okay, right, Nana? మరి విన్నప్పుడు మీరు వినాలా? 10th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళు కదా. Right. Okay. So yesterday we were discussing about a second problem, which is square of any positive integer in the form of 3p and 3p plus 1, right? So what is that? I will write fast. Third question is right. Very sorry. So given a be the let a be the positive integers. A be the positive integer and given b is equals to 3. Okay, so what we have to prove, Nana? We have to prove square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p plus 1. Already I have explained in detail in yesterday's class. Okay, so what we have, a is equals to b cube plus r, 0 less than or equals to or less than b. We have, this is the formula actually. So a is equals to 3q plus r, where 0 less than or equals to or less than 3. R is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and substitute. Okay, no problem, no need to substitute. And here squaring on both sides. squaring on both sides because it is a positive integer, right? It is a positive integer. A equals to a is a positive integer. It is in the form of 3q plus r. But he is asking us to square of any positive integer, right? Square is nothing but take a square and 3q plus r whole square. The a square is equals to 3q whole square plus r square plus 2 into 3q into r. Okay, so a square is equals to 3q into 3q plus r square into 6qr. So a square is equals to 9q square plus r square plus 6q into r. Yeah, I think we solved up to here in the yesterday's class, right? Here onwards we shall continue. So this is the form we got. Okay, a square is equals to 9q square plus r square plus 6q square we got. See, yeah, possible r values you take here. And what is the form we got? A square is equals to 9q square plus, I think it is a 6qr. 6qr you take here and r square. We can write r square in the last of also, no problem. And final form. We'll see what happens here. Very important, Nana. Yeah, what are the possible r values, Nana? 1, 0, 1, 2, right? So I'm going to substitute 0 in the place of r, Nana. Then what it becomes? A square is equals to 9q square plus 6q into 0 plus 0 square, which is nothing but a square is equals to 9q square plus 0 plus 0. A square is equals to 9q square. Okay. So suppose take 3 common from this, it becomes 3 into 3q square. I'm going to write here in place of 3q square p, where p is equals to 3q square, right? So this is nothing but a square is nothing but square of a positive integer. A square is nothing but square of a positive integer, isn't it? Is it right? It is a square of positive integer. It is in the form of 3p. That's it. We got. So the what is the final form? 3p you got. Okay. I'm replacing in place of 3q square is equals to 3q square. Sorry, p. In place of 3q square, I'm replacing p. You can assume like that, no problem. Okay, did you get this? Simple. Very simple. Next, we have to take next r is equals to 1, right? Next, same thing. R and a square we have 9q square plus 6qr plus r square and final form. Okay. See, r is equals to 1 you take. Substitute here, a square is equals in place of r you have to substitute 1 plus 6q into 1 plus 1 square. Okay. What becomes a square is equals to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Okay. Next, a square is equals to take 3 common from these two. 3 common from that. What it becomes, Nana? It becomes 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Just simply, I'm going to write this as a square is equals to 3p plus 1. And this entire thing I consider as a p, Nana. P is equals to 3q square plus 2q. Isn't it? Did you get that, Nana? It's simple, right? So we got a square is equals to 3p plus 1. What is the final form? So here, this is a square is nothing but square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p plus 1. That's it. What is the final form you got? 3p plus 1. Okay, isn't it? Clear? Next, what is the thing? R is equals to 3 you have. Sorry, don't write R is equal to 3. Next, take R value as it is. And a square is equals to 9q square plus 6qr plus r square, and final form. See, r is equals to 2. A square is equals to 9q square plus 6q into 2 plus q square. So a square is equals to 9q square plus 12q plus 2 into 2 is 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, right? Okay, I will write one more step, no problem. 9q square plus 12q plus 4. So here a square is equals to 9q square plus 12q. This 4 we can write 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Then what becomes? A square, take 3 common here. What becomes now? 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. So here I am assuming p is equals to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Then what is the remaining? So in place of this thing, I am replacing with p, isn't it? So a square is equals to 3p plus 1. Okay. So square of any positive integer. A is a positive integer. Here we have a square. That must be in the form of 3p plus 1, right? Okay. So what is the final form we got? 3p plus 1. Already done. See. So what are the possible R values? 0, 1 and 2. So if you substitute in this R, in this general form, you are getting 3p and 3p plus 1. That's it, right? For the possible R values, isn't it? So what we can say? Therefore, the square of, or therefore from the above, the square of positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. Okay, you got the concept. Yeah, please, you can ask if any doubt. Yes, Nana. Start your videos, all of you. Make it fast. ఇతనే ఈశ్వర్ అనుకో, పొద్దున యోగా చేపిస్తా క్లాస్లో, మళ్ళా మ్యాథ్స్ కాదు, యోగా చేపిస్తా పొద్దున 6 గంటలకు లేపి. రాత్రికి తక్కువ తినాలి, కొద్దిగా నైటు 7 గంటలకే తినేసి తక్కువ తినాలా. 7 గంటలకి తిని 9 గంటలకు పడుకుంటే పొద్దున 5 గంటలకి మెలకు వస్తుంది. మనకు మంచిగా 12 గంటల దాకా పబ్జి ఆడాలి పట్టింది కదా. ఇలా మొబైల్లో గేమ్లు ఆడుకొని ఎటుడికి సార్ క్లాసులో హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చి అని చెప్పి మొబైల్ పట్టుకొని కూర్చుంటారు. సార్ ప్రాక్టికల్ లాగిన్ అమ్మడు అవుతున్నా అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ తెలియదు కదా ఇంట్లో పేరెంట్స్కి. రైట్, ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఎస్, ఎనీబడి ఫ్రమ్ KHS or HMHS or MRMS? Anjani, Vaibhav, Arjuman is keep smiling. Continuously smiling. Yes. Sharwani, Anugna, Virendra, Ruchita, Raza, Madhihanaj, Dilip, Chakradhar. Okay, sorry. Chakradhar, Prashant from KHS. Yeah, I will put you in a waiting room, Nana. You people who are from KHS, sir told me to put you in a waiting room. Sorry, go back, go back. I will leave. Omkar, తీసేస్తాను నేను కూడా నేను ఇక అర్థం నాకు వీడియో ఆన్ చేయకుండా క్లాసులకు వచ్చేటోళ్ళకు మనము క్లాసులు చెప్పము రచ్చుకోపోయి ఓంకార్ పోనన్న పో ఓంకార్ భరణి నువ్వు కూడా అర్థం రిమూవ్ కొడతాయి ఇప్పుడైతే వెయిటింగ్ లో పెట్టిన రేపటి రిమూవ్ కొట్టేస్తా ఇక మళ్ళీ రారు క్లాసులకు అడిహనాజ్ జావ్ దిలీప్ జావ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా హోంవర్క్లు వేయకపోయినా నోట్స్ రాయకపోయినా ఉంటుంది ఇక మళ్ళీ వచ్చారా ఈసారి వీడియో అని చెప్పి రిమూవ్ కొడితే నీ ఇష్టం రైట్ నా ఎస్ సార్
Sir, good morning.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్
Sir, Darshil, how you are sitting in a proper manner? What is your combing? Just be in proper way. See, the sir is saying how nicely. Thank you, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sorry, ఏమనుకోకండి మీరు నిజంగా
problem.
చెప్తున్నాను వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ లో పడేయండి సార్ అందరం
సరే
అయితే
సార్
మా స్కూల్ నుంచి సరే ఈ స్కూల్ నుంచి సార్
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే
సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ అలాట్ సార్ బాయ్
రైట్ నాన్న నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం next problem what is the question third question sorry fourth question use division algorithm use a division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, very simple. I will give you the hint as well. I will in this case we have 8 possibilities to solve. So in that I will explain 2. Remaining you have to solve. Okay, I'll give you a homework that concept. Okay, let us start. What is that? Any positive integer. Cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8, right? Select AB any positive integer. AB any positive integer. Okay, right? And B, what is the B? 9. You asked me to show 9m and 9m plus 1, right? So B is nothing but 9. And next, okay, what is the lemma? A is equals to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or is equals to or less than B. B is nothing but already we have 9. So A is equals to 9Q plus R, 0 less than or is equals to or less than 9. If you observe, once again I will write A is equals to 9Q plus R, 0 less than or is equals to or less than B. It means it is 9. What are the possible or values here? Possible or values. R is equals to R is lies between 0 and 9. Lies between 0 and 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to solve all these things. Okay, if it comes in examination, then you have to do all for all these things. Okay, so just now what we done in the square case. See, Here we have done this procedure, right? 1, 2, and 3. This kind of method you have to perform for 8 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, right? But it is a very simple method now. Okay, no problem. Right. So we need cube of any positive integer so that cubing on both sides, cubing on both sides, what it becomes? A cube is equals to 9q square plus, sorry, very sorry, 9q plus r whole cube. Did you remember the a plus b whole cube formula? What is that? A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube, or a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, or this we can also write a cube ab into a plus b cube. Whatever you're feeling comfortable, take that formula, but simplification is important. See, a cube is equals to, I'm applying the first formula here, 9q whole cube plus r cube plus 3 into 9q plus 9q into r, 9q into r plus 9q square, right? So 9q square into r, next 3 into 9q into r square. Okay, a cube, b cube, 3a square b, and 3ab square. Good. Now what we can write this for the sake of I don't know what your standard and level of understanding, so that I'm giving you very clear steps. 9q into 9q into 9q. Those who know all these things, they feel what is this? Sorry, saying like a kid. No problem. Assume you are a kid. Assume you are a kid. So r into r plus 3 into 9q into 9q into r plus and 3 into 9q r into r. R space nothing but r into r. Okay, again we shall multiply that. Okay, no problem. See, now this term, what becomes this term? 9 into 9 into 9. How much? 9 cube. Is it 729? Take it once. Yes, 729 it is. This is 729 cube, and this is, it is r cube already. And this one is 9 into 9, 81, 81 into 3. How much? 243 q square into r. And this one, what is the last term? 27 qr square. Yes, did you get this? If you have any doubt, please you can. Just I have written at that particular term only. I will give you clearly. All right, once again. So a cube is equals to, we got 729 q cube plus r cube plus 243 q square r, 243 q square r plus 27 qr square, 27 qr square. Step by step, please observe. So this I will arrange in order. 729 q cube plus 243 q square r plus, from this, 27 qr square plus r cube I have written here. Let us consider this equation 1. Yeah, now we have to substitute in this equation the possible r values. Okay, see what are the concepts we have here? What are the possible r values we have? Yeah. R is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. See here, I will explain this 7 and 8, Nana, because they are a little bit bigger than right. This compared to this. So I will explain this 7 and 8. You please take the homework for this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because 7 and 8 are bigger. We get right. I will explain 7 and 8 concept. Remaining you have to find. See. So here I am going to substitute r is equals to 8 first. And what is the thing? We have a cube is equals to 729 q cube plus 243 q square r plus 27 q r square plus r cube and final form. See, so r is equals to 8. Or take r is equals to 8. A cube is equals to 729 q cube plus 243 q square into r. What is r value? Sorry, 8 plus 27 cube and 8 square and 8 cube. Okay, isn't it? Let's see here this a cube 729 q cube plus 243 into 8. How much? This is a 1944 1944 no? Q square plus and 27. This is 8 square nothing but 64, right? 27 q into 64 I will write, no problem. And what is 8 cube, Nana? That is 512, right? So a cube is equals to 729 q cube plus 1944 q square plus 2764 we have to write. So what is 2764? 27 into 64. Yeah. 1728 plus 512. Please inform if I done any mistake. Otherwise, problem will vanish. Okay. Right. Once again, I will write the same. A cube is equals to 729 q cube plus 1944 q square 1944 q square plus 1728 q. Forgot to write q here. 1728 q plus 512. Okay. Anyway, time is up now. We have, I think, next one more class we have. Will we continue or we shall stop here? Okay, I will explain this concept now. Only for 8 I will explain. A cube is equals to, yeah, if you divide, what is the result? 9. If you take 9 common here, take 9 common from all these things. What becomes 729 by 9 means 81 q cube we will get. Plus in 1944 divided by 9, 216 q square you will get. And for 1728, if you take common, 192 q will remember remaining, and 512 okay. This 512 we can write as a, what is that, 508 plus, no, not 8, just wait now. How much will get remainder if you divide with this 9 5 is 45 9 6 54. 8 is the remainder, right? So what we can write now? What is 850 4 plus 8. We can write 504 plus 8, right? Okay, let it be like that only. I will write one more step between this. Please 729 q cube plus 1944 q square plus 1728 cube plus this we can write 5 on 2. I'm going to write 504 plus 8. Okay. You observe. This is 50. If you take 504 from the 504, if you take common, 56 will get remaining, right? So I will write that 56 plus, I mean, after 8. Is this clear, Nana? Now, I just consider all these things as what is the required m, right? M is right. M. So where m is equals to 81 q cube plus 216 q square plus 192 q plus 56. Replace with that m. What you get simply? A cube is equals, just we got 9m plus 8. Right? Is it okay? Did you get this? I think you all appeared by seeing this this complete what is that simplification, right? Simply I took a common of 9, got the answer. So if you substitute r is equal some 8, what is the final form you got? The actual table, right? What is the final form? 9m plus 8. Okay, so like that you have to do for r is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so whatever the number you get of 7, I will explain if possible. Otherwise, you can try first. Okay, just substitute those values and simplify them and take common 9 common out. Okay, right? You may get confusion in this part only. In this part only. So how do you? I think you have to write there. Either it is a plus 8 remaining, or what is that required form? 1 remains, or otherwise nothing will remain. Okay. Take care about that one. Okay. One take a screenshot from first paper onwards. First page. Understand? And second page. Third page. Fourth page. Fifth page. Sixth page. Tenth page. Eighth page. Ninth page. Okay. Either homework. For a